Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So firstly you have to open Play Store, then you have to tap here, go to the Manage Apps and Device section, and here you can see updates available. Here you can see all of your unupdated apps. You can update them one by one by tapping Update button next to them, or you can just tap Update All and update them all at once, but it could take some time. So here you can decide how you want to update your apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.